Okay, so welcome to this new video part in the series. So, like till the last video, what we have done is just a minute. Okay, so till the last video, we have completed the pipes, the birds, the floor. Okay, so everything is done, but we need some record of score as well. So in this video, we will just record the score. That is how many scores we have. So you get the score, right? Why I'm so clumsy. Okay, so to define the score, what we are doing is that initially we are keeping the count of 0 in the score, and whenever we are adding some pipes, that means that our flappy bird, that means our bird has already crossed that flight, crossed that pipe. Okay, so score plus equal to 1. Okay, and I need some, if you are displaying something, you need in the something as fonts. Okay, so I'm just in the resources keeping for font is equal to pygame dot font dot sys font, and I'm using the Comic Sans version. There are many versions, you can change from any one of these. Okay, so this indicates the size. Okay, so to use this font, okay, so first of all, if you are using any font, we need to initialize it. So it's very simple, pygame dot font dot init. So it's just because of initialization, it's nothing else. Okay, so now we want to use that font. Okay, so how to use that thing? So in here, when we are about to uh, print that, we will store the whole text in the form of font dot render. So we are storing this in a string. Okay, font dot render, and we are here, I'm entering the string score, and here I'll keep a record of the score that we have till now, because we are incrementing our score whenever we are appending something in our pipe. Okay, we get this. Also, we have to specify that which is the color that you want. So this is the coordinates of, I think, RGB. Okay, so this is this we did, like we did all the thing and we stored it in text. Now to display it on the screen, we need to use the win.blit function. Okay, win.blit, we are using text, and now which are the coordinates that you want to display. So here's like a interesting thing that I observed, that to do that, what you can do is win width minus 10 minus text dot get width. Okay, so why I did this is because scores might range from 1 to 1000, you don't know. So whenever the range are increasing, this will automatically reinitialize its position. So it's like slightly dynamic thing, and this is like the height or the y coordinate. So yeah, this thing is like ready to run. So if you are running this, and you can see we have a score as well, and whether we are crossing any pipe, you can see that the scores are increasing 3 4, and that's how we roll. Okay, so that's it. This was a very short video. I hope you enjoyed. In the next, this was like the end. There is one more feature that is left, that is to jump the bird. Okay, still the jumping of bird is not yet initialized. We will do that part. So yes, if when we are doing in the from the next video, we will start the AI part. We will use a neat algorithm, and in that also, in that only, I'll walk you through how to jump the bird. It's not very hard. It's so simple. You will get it. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.